Good morning dear students. Let us understand the image formation by a plane mirror. As in our previous class we have already studied various laws of reflection. The first law of reflection was your normal ray, incident ray and a reflected ray all were in same plane. The second law, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now continuing forward our topic, now we will discuss the image formation by a plane mirror. Plane mirror is a smooth polished surface whose one part is reflected part and another part is polished part. So let us see, there is a source of light. The light source has various rays in all directions. We have taken two rays which are falling on this plane mirror. For the first normal, this is your incident ray and this is your reflected ray. Angle I1 and angle R1 will be equal according to the law of reflection. For the second incident ray, this is your second normal and this is your angle of reflection. So I2 equal to R2 second angle of incidence will be equal to second angle of reflection according to laws of reflection. Now let us understand the various features of this image. If you will extend these reflected rays in backward direction, we will see that they are meeting at a point, and the point where your rays are meeting, your image is formed. As this image is formed behind the mirror, so it is a virtual image and the image is erect. As your object is, your image will be erect. It will be literally inverted. Your left becomes your right becomes your left. Image is of same size as that of your object. It is formed at the same distance your object is kept from the mirror. At the same distance your image is formed from the mirror. Image formed is virtual. You cannot see because virtually you have to extend your reflected rays in backward direction and the image is formed behind the mirror. Now the size is same, the distance from the image is same, literally inverted and erect image. So hope you have understood. Thank you.